tell her what the flower is. No, first tell them and then show them the flower.
Okay.
I'll go ahead and get the whole
Do I just like tell them the name of it and stuff?
Yeah, there's a name on the side of it, so.
I'll just switch it over.
Forward.
Oh yeah, this is the
Down
flower.
here.
This is the name.
Oh,
And it smells really good. Oh my gosh, look at the puppy. There's a puppy. Oh, there's a puppy up there. Okay.
Tell them what we're doing.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna.
We're running and you're not even saying anything.
No, I was telling them about the puppy. Okay, we're gonna plant this flower right here.
Really, just
Yep.
flower, huh? Doesn't
No,
mean
it's
nothing.
this is the
Doesn't have a
state
name.
of.
Doesn't have a name.
Stop. This is a rose, and it's called State of Grace, and it's like the pretty flower there. He keeps on saying that it wasn't, but it smells really good, and we're going to be planting it right there. And I didn't really want to dig a hole because I don't know how to, so he's going to do it.
So
Why are we
digging the
putting...
hole?
Yeah. We're also going to put the coffee grinds with it, so then it grows more flowers.
Alright, so go ahead and push stop on that. I'll do a live feed on Facebook.